What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to start the first part of a multi-part series I'm doing on upgrading. We're putting new pieces on a 2012 Sportster 72 I bought not too long ago. The first thing I wanted to do is put a flush mount gas cap on. But I've got levers, I've got pegs, I've got a Vance & Hine fuel pack I'm going to put on it because the one I have, it's not really, I don't like it, I guess. So, and I can auto-tune it or get a little bit better than when I had it. So anyway, on to putting the gas cap on. This should be pretty easy. You get a chrome ring and the gas cap. They have it black and chrome. I went with chrome because that's kind of what was on my instructions. Always read the instructions, right? So I want to prep it to so I can stick the chrome ring around it, which I'm just going to see if I can clean off all that. Alright, so we're going to install the gas cap now, which it just screws into place of the other one. Pushes and turns. We'll take the plastic off. And then we'll look, it says lined it up for the best contours of the tank, but I think it fits no matter what. So I'm going to pull the backing off the sticky and apply it to the tank. And that's it.